Bready was running down the street. He was running as fast as he could. "Wait! Wait for me!" Bready shouted, but the bus was already moving. The doors closed. The lights became smaller and smaller. Then the bus disappeared into the night. Bready stopped running. He looked at the empty street. Oh no! Bready checked the time on his phone. He was only 1 minute late. 1 minute. That was all. And he missed the last bus home. Bready stood there quietly. What should I do now? Earlier that evening, Bready was still at work. It was a busy day. There were many things to finish. Bready worked on his computer. He answered emails. He organized documents. He helped his co-workers. Finally, he looked at the clock. Oh, it is already late. His co-worker Tom walked by. "Are you leaving now, Bready?" "Yes, I am going home." Tom looked at the time. "Be careful. The last bus leaves soon." Bready smiled. "Don't worry, I have enough time." Bready packed his bag. He turned off his computer. He put on his jacket. Finally, work is finished. He felt tired, but happy. Outside the office, the air was cold. The street was quieter than usual. Bready walked toward the bus stop. He listened to music. He looked at the lights around the city. Everything seemed normal, Bready thought. I will be home in 30 minutes. He did not know that something unexpected was going to happen. While walking, Bready received a message. It was from his friend. His friend asked, "How was your day?" Bready stopped and replied, "Very busy, but I finished everything." He smiled. Then he looked at his phone again. He suddenly realized something. The time? Oh no. Bready looked at the bus stop sign. The last bus was coming soon. He started walking faster, then faster. Then he began running. Bready finally reached the bus stop. But he was too late. The bus was already leaving. "Wait, please wait." Bready waved his hands. The driver did not see him. The bus turned the corner and disappeared. Bready looked at the empty road. He could not believe it. "I missed the last bus." He sat down on the bench. What should I do? Bready took out his phone. He wanted to check the next bus, but something was wrong. His phone screen showed 5% battery. Oh no, my phone is almost dead. Bready became worried. He needed directions. He needed a way home, but his phone might stop working soon. He looked around. The streets were dark. There were not many people outside. For the first time that night, Bready felt nervous. Bready took a deep breath. Okay. Don't panic. He remembered something important. When there is a problem, the first thing to do is stay calm. He looked around carefully. There was a small store across the street. There was also a bus information board near the station. Maybe he could find some information. Bready walked over. He checked the board, but the information was difficult to understand. "I need some help." A woman was walking near the bus stop. Bready politely asked, "Excuse me." The woman stopped. "Yes, could you help me?" "Of course. I missed the last bus. Do you know how I can get home?" The woman smiled. "Don't worry, there is another bus stop nearby." "Really?" "Yes. It is about 10 minutes away." Bready felt better. "Thank you so much." Bready followed the directions. The street was quiet. The lights were warm. He walked carefully, but after a few minutes, he became unsure. Am I going the right way? He looked at his phone. The battery was now 3%. Oh no! He quickly saved the directions in his memory. Then he turned off his phone. Save battery. Bready continued walking. After a few minutes, Bready saw a bright sign. It was another bus stop. He smiled. I found it. There were a few people waiting there. Bready checked the schedule. A bus was coming soon. He felt relieved. Great! I can finally go home. But then he noticed another problem. Bready reached into his pocket. He looked for his bus card, but it was not there. Oh no. He checked his bag. Nothing. He checked his jacket. Nothing. Where is my bus card? Bready started to worry again. Then an old memory came back. He remembered putting the card on his desk at work. I left it at the office. The bus arrived. Bready explained his situation to the driver. I am sorry. I forgot my bus card at work. The driver looked at Bready. Then he smiled. It happens sometimes. Really? Yes. You can pay another way. Bready felt thankful. Thank you for understanding. No problem. Have a good night. Bready sat near the window. The bus started moving. He watched the city lights outside. What a strange night. First, he missed the bus. Then his phone almost died. Then he lost his bus card. But everything worked out. Bready smiled. Today was difficult, but I learned something. Bready thought about his evening. He learned that small problems can become big problems. Being late can change everything. Preparation is important. Next time, he would leave work earlier. Check the bus time. Charge his phone. Bring his bus card. I need to be more prepared. Finally, Bready arrived home. He opened the door. His home was warm and comfortable. He put down his bag. He made a cup of hot tea. Home at last. He sat on the sofa. The long day was finally over. Suddenly, Bready's phone turned on. He had saved enough battery. A message appeared. It was from Tom, his coworker. Tom wrote, "Did you catch the last bus?" Bready laughed. He replied, "No, I missed it." Tom answered, "Next time, use the bus app. It shows the exact time." Bready looked at the message. OH, I should have done that before. The next morning, Bready downloaded the bus app. Now he could check bus times, routes, delays, everything. He felt more confident. Sometimes mistakes teach us something important. Bready smiled. Next time, I will be ready. That night was not perfect. Bready missed the last bus. He had many small problems. But he also learned something. Asking for help is okay. Staying calm is important, and being prepared makes life easier. Bready looked outside his window. The city was beautiful. He smiled. Tomorrow will be a better day.